It's your boy Mark, and today we're just gonna teach the audience how to make a Discord server if this is new to you. So yeah, if you haven't been using Discord, well, if you don't know how to make a server on Discord, well, you got the right person. Now we click here, we choose either create my own gaming school club, studying group, friends, artists and creators, or local community, but I'm just gonna choose own because, well, I just want to make things on my own. For me and my friends, for a club or community, for me and my friends, that is. Alright, they will put down the name, and this is what the basics guidelines are. Now we go with what we wanna choose. So this time, so yeah, this is the button, so you get to choose a picture. But seriously, just make sure it's appropriate. Yeah, just make sure that yeah, if you're making pictures, putting a picture on the Discord server logo, then don't, just make sure it's appropriate, because the NSFW is the reason why Discord has gone downhill, especially with YouTubers doing a lot of drama in Discord. By the way, I'm putting new server because, well, and I guess you guys are gonna ask me, Mark, why does it say new server? Well, one user in one of the comments on one of my videos, they told me that the link to my Discord wasn't working, so I should make a new link. So what does she mean by this? Does it mean like you have to make a new server, or do you have to make a new link? Well, I'm just gonna make my new server because, well, the old link is literally not working. So I'll just create a new one. So yeah. And if you're happy about this, press create. And if you're not happy about this, you can always click back. Yep. And there it is. And that's how it is. And if you want to add some more, you can create some new things, like you can make like art, or 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 even announcements. Yeah, you can make this type of stuff. Now, you can always invite your friends into the server if you want to. So yeah, goodbye for now.